Here is how to get a slick pony with extensions. First, you're gonna wanna apply something like the Goldilocks Signature Serum. It's just a great base for any kind of a slick back look. It's gonna smooth the hair, it's great prep for styling, and the best way to apply this is to focus the serum on your ends and slowly work up towards the roots of any serum that's left over on your hands. So today we're gonna go for a high, sleek pony. So you're gonna want to start with the detangling brush to smooth everything and hide your extensions, and make sure to smooth the back and the underneath as well, because we want this to be slick from all angles. Once we have the ponytail smooth, we're going to then secure it with a hair tie. We're gonna be wrapping it around one more time so that we can make sure that it's not too tight. Next, you're gonna split the top third of your ponytail and wrap your hair tie around just that top section. I like to pull and adjust to make sure that it looks that we like the way that it's looking. Doing this ponytail hack really changes the game. It creates so much extra volume and movement throughout the ponytail, and this trick will work for literally anyone, whether you're wearing extensions or not. Next, we're gonna wanna fluff it up a bit, mess it around, and just until you're happy with it, just keep playing with it. You know, gently brushing over anything that there is just to double check that everything is sleek and hidden. And then this is my very favorite part. We love using the Goldilocks Flyaway Fix for ponytails. This product is incredible to do any kind of slick hairstyles with because it has a strong hold without any grease or like waxy weirdness. So to finish it off, we're gonna add a cute little accessory. This will just take it to the next level. I love accessorizing, you know, and transitioning from a daytime pony to maybe like a going out look, and just making some final adjustments. And that is how you do a simple slick back pony with extensions. Hope you like this.